If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To either rotate or flip the canvas in Photoshop, select Image Rotation from the menu bar. Then select the command to perform from the side menu of commands that appears. To rotate the image 180 degrees or half a circle, select the 180 degrees command. To rotate the canvas 90 degrees clockwise, select the 90 degrees clockwise command. To rotate the canvas 90 degrees counterclockwise, select the 90 degrees counterclockwise command. To enter a custom canvas rotation, select the arbitrary command to open the Rotate Canvas dialog box. Type a rotation value into the angle field. Select either the degrees clockwise or degrees counterclockwise option as needed, and then click the OK button to apply the custom rotation. To flip the canvas horizontally in Photoshop, select the Flip Canvas Horizontal command in the side menu. To instead flip the canvas vertically, select the Flip Canvas Vertical command in the side menu. Note these commands rotate the canvas in Photoshop, which changes its dimensions. Alternatively, you can rotate only the view of the canvas in Photoshop if desired, to just change the view of the file without changing its canvas dimensions. To rotate the view of the canvas in Photoshop, select the Rotate View tool in the Tools panel. This tool shares a button with the Hand tool in the Tools panel, so you may need to click and hold down on this button and then select the Rotate View tool command to select it. Then click and drag in the document window to rotate its view. The red point of the compass icon that then appears shows the up end of the canvas content. Release the mouse after setting the desired rotation. To reset the canvas view rotation, click the Reset View button in the Options bar control panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.